children, how are you? I think you all are well and safe. This is Mankumari. I works as maths teacher in Sri Sathya Sai High School. Okay children, are you ready to listen my class? Before that, I ask you some questions. Okay? What is the greatest triple digit number? 999. 999. When we add 1 to that number, what we get? 1000. Okay. How many digits in 1000? 4 digits. 4 digit number formed here. Okay. What is the successor of 1000? We have to add 1. That is 1001. These are 4 digit numbers. The 4 digit number will be continue up to 9999. Okay. The 4 digit number will be continue up to 9999. When we add 1 to that number, which number obtained? 10,000. Okay. How many digits in 10,000? 5 digits. The 5 digit number will be continue up to 99,999. In this way, the large numbers will form. But children, some students have doubt how to read and write large numbers in easy way. They have some confuse when they want to read and write large numbers. But when we learned the place value chart, then we can easily read and write the large numbers. Today, I will explain what is the Indian place value system. Okay, children? The Indian place value system, also called as Hindu-Arabic system. The Indian place value system has 4 periods. Each period consists some places. Okay? I draw the chart on the board and explain. You observe the children. Okay? Indian place value system or Indian place value chart. It has 4 periods. It has 4 periods. Okay. Each period consists some places. Okay. What is the first period? Unit period or ones period? Unit period or ones period. Next period is called thousands period. Thousands period. Okay. Next period, lakhs period. Lakhs period. Next period, crores period. So, each period consists some places. What are the places? You see here. Okay. Places. I write short form in the places. Unit period divides 3 places. Unit period divides 3 places. Those are ones, tens hundreds. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds in the unit period. In the thousand period, two places is there. Thousand period divides two places. Those are 1000, 10,000. Okay, children. In the same way, lakhs period divides two places. Lakh, 10 lakh, lakh and 10 lakh. And also crores period divides two places into two places, crores and 10 crores. Okay. Unit period divides into three places, ones, tens, hundred. Thousand period divides into 1000, 10,000, two places. And lakhs period divides into two places, lakhs, 10 lakhs. And crores period divides into two places, those are crores and 10 crores. Okay, I wrote a short form here. Okay, O for ones, T for tens, H for 100, TH for 1000, TTH for 10,000, L for lakh, very good, TL for 10 lakh, C for crore, TC for 10 crore. Okay, children, I place some digits in the chart. Okay. Already you can read all three digits number. Okay. What is this number? 486. 486. Okay. You can easily read that number. Why? It is 3-digit number. If I wrote some more digits in the thousand place. If I write some more digits in the thousand place. For example, 5, 8. Okay, 5, 8 in the thousand place, 58. It means 58 in thousand place. How you read that number name? When you want to read the number name, read the number together with the period name. Okay, read the number together with the period name. See how can I read? 58,486. Are you clear? 58,486. Okay. I am adding two more digits in lakhs period. Okay. That is maybe 1 and 2. 1, 2. That's mean 12. 12 in which period? Lakhs period. 12 in which period? Lakhs period. So, how you read this number? Same as read together with the period name. 12 lakhs 58,486. Are you understood? Okay. 12 lakh 58,486. Now I am adding two more digits in crores place. For example, 7, 6. What is 7, 6 is called 76. 76 in which place? Crores place. Okay. How you read this number? 76 crores 12 lakhs 58,486. Okay. In this way, we can easily read that all numbers, even though smaller or larger numbers. Okay. Okay, children. I will explain. I will give one more example. 3, 4. 5, 9, 2, 1, 4, 8, 5. How many digits count here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 9-digit number. How you read this number? We use commas to separate the number. Why? It is impossible to write all time the chart in the digits. So, we use commas to separate the period. We insert commas from right to left. We start commas first after 3 digits and then after 2 digits and then after 2 digits. Okay. This comma separates the periods. This comma separates the period. Okay. This is unit period. This is thousand period. This is lakh period. This is crores period. Are you understood, children? Now you read the number 34 crore 59 lakh 21,485. 485. Very good. Are you understood? How can you read and write the numbers? Okay, children. Next I will explain what is the face value, what is the place value of the digits. Face value of a digit. Face value of a digit. What is the face value of a digit? The face value of a digit is the digit same as the digit itself. It means simply say the digit name. How many basic digits we have? 10 basic digits. Okay. So the 10 basic digits have same face value. Face value means simply say that digit name. Okay. I write the definition here. The face value of a digit is the digit same as itself. Same as itself. The face value of a digit is the digit same as itself. The face value of a digit is the digit same as itself. It means same. 0 face value is 0. 1 face value is 1. 2 face value is 2. 3 face value is 3. 4 face value is 4. 5 face value is 5. It's never change at any place. Okay, children? 6 place value is 6. 7 face value is 7. Okay. 8 face value is 8. 9 face value is 9. Okay, children? It never change the face value. Next, I will explain what is the place of digit. What is the place of digit? Place. What is the place of a digit? The place of a digit occupies the place in the place value chart. The place of the digit means the place occupies the place in the place value chart. Okay, children, read the definition. The place of a digit is the digit occupies the place in the place value chart. For example, 243. 243. How many places here? Ones, tens, 100. Ones, tens, 100. Okay. What is the place of 3 ones? What is the place of 4 tens? What is the place of 200? Okay. Are you clear? What is the place of digit? Next, I will explain face value, place value. Already I explained face value and the second one place. Now I will explain place value. Okay, children? Place value. What is the place value? The place value of a digit is equal face value into place of the digit. The digit occupies the place in the chart, that value into face value. Okay, that is called place value. It's like a small formula. Okay, children. Place value is equal, what is that? Face value in place value into place of the digit. Place of the digit. It is occupies the place in the chart. It's mean. Okay, children. I will explain some more problems on that place value. Okay. For example, 561. What is the place value of 5? Already we know that formula. What is that? The place value of 5 is equal. Face value of 5 is what? 5. 5 into the place occupies the digit in the chart. Which place occupies the 5 in the chart? 100. So, 5 into 100 is equal 500. Are you clear, children? How we can do that place value? Okay. Now, I will explain these three values in one sum. Okay. For example, I take one number here, 48,295. 48,295. In this number, I explain all values. Okay. First of all, I will explain all face values of the digits in the given number. Face value. The face value of, first I started ones place, that is 5. The face value of 5 in 48,295 is what? Same number. Okay, that is 5. Okay, children. 5. The face value of 9. Next number. What is the next number? 9. The face value of 9 in 48,295 is 9. Next, the face value of next number is what? 2. 2 in 48,295 is 2. Okay, children. 5 is 5. 9 is 9. The face value of 5 is 5. The face value of 9 is 9. And also the face value of 2 is 2. It's never change its face value. Am I right? Next we have to take digit 8. The face value of 8. 8 in 48,295 is what? 8. Okay. The face value of 8 is 8. Are you clear? Next, the last digit and highest place digit. What is that? 4. The face value of 4 in 48,295 is 4. Okay, children? Are you clear? The all face values, how it was found? Okay, children. Next, I will explain what is the places of what is the place of all digit. Okay. Next, I will explain what is the place of all digits in the number. Okay, children. Now I explain the places of all digits in the number. Place. Okay. What is the place of 5? What is the place of 9? What is the place of 2? What is place of 8? What is place of 4? I write now. Okay. The place of 5. The place of 5 in 48,295 is 5 in which place? Ones place. 5 in which place? Ones place. Ones. Okay. Next. The place of next digit is what? 9. 9 in 48,295 is 9 in which place? Tens place. Tens. That is tens. Next. The place of next digit 2. 2 in 48,295 is 2 in which place? 100 place. So 100. 100. Okay. Next. What is the next digit? 8. The place of 8 in 48,295. Which place occupies the 8 in the place value chart? 1000. Very good. That is 1000. 1000. Okay. The last digit and highest digit. What is that? 4. The place of 4 in 48,295 is what? In which place the 4 occupies? Can you say? Very good. 10,000. 10,000. Okay, children. Are you clear? What is the face value? What is the place? Now I explain face value of all digits in that number. Place value. What is the place value of all digits in the given number? First, I will take 5. The place value of 5 in 48,295 is equal. Why? It has some formula. That is face value into place of the digit. Okay. what is the face value of 5? 5 into what is the place of 5? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay, total here 5 places. 5 in which place? Ones place. So multiply with 1. So 5 ones are 5. The place value of 5 is 5. Next. The place value of next digit 9. 9 in 48,295 is equal. Okay, what is the face value of 9? 9. Face value into place of the digit. Which place in that 9? Tens. So multiply with 10. 9 tens are 90. Are you clear? Next. The place value of next digit was 2. 2 in 48,295 is equal. Okay, face value into place of the digit. It's mean 2 into 100. 2 into 100, 200. Okay, children. Next, the place value of next digit is what? 8. 8 in 48,295 is equal. Okay, face value. What is the face value of 8? 8 into which place in 8? 1000. Multiply with 1000. Okay, so that is equal 8 into 1000, 8000. Okay, children. The last digit 4. We have to find out the place value of 4 in that number. The place value of 4 in 48,295 is equal 4 into 10,000. 4 into 10,000. So that is equal 4 into 10,000, 40,000. Okay, children, are you clear how to find out the all place values? Okay, are you understood today class? Okay, children, we will discuss another topic in our next class. Thank you, children.